It doesn't have to end this way.
I don't trust you.
There is a Japanese poem.
And it won't change anything in it.
At the old pond's edge sheds, a frog suddenly leaps into the air, the sound of water echoing.
What is that supposed to mean?
I'll tell you what it means. Sometimes the noise is the whole picture.
I haven't told you. There is a darkness. I just don't know what it is. It is tearing us apart.
I'm sorry, but I need to go home now.
Your place or mine?
Aren't we supposed to go separate ways?
Not tonight. I like that poem. Maybe you can explain some more.